mental health is something not to be ashamed of. It's something that anybody at any time of their life, regardless of their socioeconomic structure, can face, and we have to face it together. You know, beating the odds is so important because it's an amalgamation of so many community charities and organisations that are tackling the core issues that are affecting millions of people in this country. Mental health, autism, dyslexia, developmental, depression, all of these things that traditionally we haven't spoken about. We know it's an issue. These organisations have stepped up, and it's my duty to support them. You know what it does? When we all get together, we have strength in numbers. When we see so many organisations pulling towards the same direction, it makes a real difference because it's positivity, it's familiarity, and it's resilience all coming together. You know what it is lack of hope, lack of opportunities, employment, cost of living crisis, and social media has created a division that life is wonderful when life is real. And it's addressing those issues for the young people that is the biggest issue. You know, as I said in my speech earlier, the requirement is much greater than the support that they're getting. The need is much bigger than the support that they've been given. That's why these organisations are vital, and they need all the support that they can get, and I will try my best to get it for them.
Definitely this is important, Ramel, because here we are speaking about mental health, and mental health really important part in our community. We see it in every place, workplaces, in our relations, in our families, and even for our young adults. So this is really important event. Definitely. And we will keep doing it every time, and we don't need to give up, because sometimes you think maybe we didn't reach to this type of audience, but it is important to keep going and insist on raising awareness and to reach as much as we can. Response, all of them were like really happy about it, and I've heard different perspectives from different ages, from young and adults, so it really seems to be something they are missing. Sometimes we think simple, it's like everyone knows about stress, but it's not like this. We need to speak about it, and I found it really great feedback I got from it.
So I've had my own struggles previously around mental health. I've got family members that have struggled, and I've got friends that have struggled. And what I wanted to do was bring something together in Leicester to show the community what we have in our city. And so me and my friend, we've got together and we've organised this event to bring all the local initiatives together and to show the public that there are services and support out there. This has been a mammoth task to organise. It's been amazing. There's been some highs, some lows. I think the difficult part was organising all of the logistics, making sure cars were arriving on time, the health and safety, all of those kind of things. So it has been a challenge, but a challenge that I welcomed. I think it's been amazing with some communities that have got involved. We've had the MP come this morning, which has been absolutely amazing. Some great, fantastic guest speakers as well that have come on board. So yeah, all in all, I think we've had some great support. Even the Leicester City Council are here, and some great charities are here as well today. I don't think there is. I think we're doing more now. I think there is becoming more awareness. I think the problem that we have is the public services are so stretched, and often they don't know what to do. And there's also a lot of young people that are struggling with their own mental health, and then they get labelled as, you know, like behaviour problems or troubled teens. And what we need to do is understand that there is deeper underlying issues and that we can support them. So Beat the Odds has come together because what all of us have had to overcome something in some capacity, whether it be mental health, depression, it's anxiety. We've had people that have been victims of knife crime. There's been so many things, and also for all of us we have overcome something in some capacity, so we have beat the odds. It hasn't been that there's not been challenges, but we have overcome those challenges.